What's going on, guys? This is gonna be a very short video. Since I posted that video yesterday, I was ranging under this white resistance level. It used to be a support level. We had another support here. But we broke above and we closed the daily candle. If I want to go to daily, you guys can see it that we did not actually close it quite. We need to make sure that we are passing this green candle here. This is the same thing that I've been telling you guys. It's a drop base drop, okay? So this green candle is gonna be a resistance level for Bitcoin, okay? So we might go back up almost to $64,000, get rejected and go under this white line one more time, okay? So it's not like just because we close, even if we close a daily candle around this area, it's gonna be above this white line and you guys get into longs. That's not what I'm saying, okay? This is as long as we're not closing above this green candle that you see, okay, it's gonna be still bearish. We can still go back down, retouch this yellow support, which is our last hope for Bitcoin, okay? And if we break it this time, we're gonna probably go back down to revisit $54,000. We had a good support after we closed this candle in daily candle in here, okay? And you guys can see how beautiful they work. So I'm gonna make a straight line. This is line, so I'm gonna make a straight line from right here, okay? You guys see where we had this closed candle and open candle, we had a good support, right? So the next one, if we break even below this, even if we close any candle on this yellow line, right? I hope it's not confusing that I have too many lines here. But if we break below this red line, the next support I'm expecting would be almost around 500,000 area, okay? And we might get another leg up before going back down to revisit $53,000, okay? It depends on how high we go. If we go, just keep going higher from here and we just break above this green candle that I just talked about and go revisit this area, a lot of short positions are going to be liquidated that I was talking about yesterday, right? And USDT dominance is clearly showing weakness to close this resistance level one more time, right? You can clearly see it. This green candle is a very, very good resistance level for USDT. And you guys see that if I just even raise this up right to green candle, you guys see every time we hit this area, we get rejected, right? For USDT dominance, which is opposite correlation with Bitcoin, right? Same as the XY. So we see that I am seeing weakness for USDT, okay? The next level of support for USDT will be around this area. So I can guess that Bitcoin might go even a little bit higher to touch this area. So $64,000 is very, very possible even today, okay? So let's see how it's gonna do. Yesterday we closed our weekly candle, which is kind of bullish, but it did not close it green. It just closed red. But the head, you see this body, right? Let me just move this. This body is many times, you can fit many of these heads in this shadow, right? So that is really bullish. Same as what we had in here, right? But although we had a similar one in here, we still went lower, right? So we need to make sure that we are closing this weekly candle green, and if we still close another red candle, that's going to be very, very bearish for Bitcoin, okay? So this is another short technical analysis for you. If we break this area, we're gonna probably most likely go back down to retouch 4.20%. That's gonna be very bullish for Bitcoin. And none of these are financial advice. Please hit the like right now. It's not costing you anything, but it just helps my channel very much, okay? And share this video with your friends. I'm talking about what I see on the charts, okay? I used to try to talk about macro perspective a lot more, but I'm just going little by little in the smaller time frames as we go, so people do not like, because people like to just judge way too early. But I was talking about, bearish scenarios a lot more. But Bitcoin is just going still sideways for over 3 months now. Let's see how it's going to happen. Manage your money, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.